My hunting shack's chimney is falling apart. I need to replace that with this. This is 4-inch pipe, so I bought a 5-inch topper. I'm hoping that I can just drive a couple of zip screws in there, use some foil tape to seal it, and it should work seamlessly. I'm gonna get on up there and see if I can do it.
You know, life is like trick or treat, and that's all. Want advice, just hold your shit together and you will be fine. Life is like trick or treat.
Alright, here's my current chimney topper. This thing is not doing very good. I am gonna have to fix that. Let's see. Just there's only one screw in I need to take out. That should be pretty easy. This should fit. I'm hoping so. Alright. Oh, sure.
Life is like trick or treat, and that's all.
Alright, when in doubt, pull your knife out. Yeet! Alright, so it looks like I was incorrect. This is 6-inch pipe, and this is a 5-inch. So we will easily be able to stick this right on the inside. Push it down. Alright. Works. Now I need to grab some screws. Let's see here. I like to use these real little zip screws. They work phenomenal. Just gonna put 4 in. Let's see. Alright, I had to run and grab more screws just because I dropped all of them on. Phenomenal. Alright, we're good to go. She's on there nice and tight. Now I gotta get down. I'll be able to do it easily. I do really quickly want to use this foil tape. This should help seal. Make the heat not dissipate through the cracks. This stuff is super, super good. People use this on furnaces, so then none of the heat from your furnace leaks out into the basement. There we go. Just want to make it pretty tight, as airtight as you can make it. And we will do one more wrap. I'm gonna do a little longer on this one. Just mirror the other side. There we go. That sucker is good to go. She ain't going nowhere. All right, so you see all this soot running down this pipe. I'm going to tape this up to help with that, so then when the smoke is coming out of the chimney, that all of the, you know, moisture and everything does not leak out. So just a little bit to go with. Start with more, and then we will work our way all the way down. Get it right on that seam. I'm gonna use my finger to trace that seam, make it nice and tight all the way to the bottom, and then just flatten it out. Makes it super simple. All right, we are almost done with that. All right, this thing's dirty. There we go. Same thing here, just use your finger, trace down the seam. Fantastic. Now you can squeegee it out. Perfect. Nice and easy. Small little piece right here. And now I am going to wrap it around the pipe. So my whole goal with this is to stop any smoke from leaking out of the pipe and have it come out of the chimney. This should also help keep the heat inside and not dissipate outside. Just going to try to get all of the seams here. This 90 degree I'm not going to be able to get too much, but this works out nicely. There we are. Fantastic. What do you know?
Together, and you will be fine. Life is like trick or treat, and that's all.
All right, I did everything that I should have done. There is smoke coming out of the chimney, so that fire's going. There is no leak coming out of this pipe at all, so I think I did a good job. I'm very happy with it. This is my furnace. You can see it vents outside. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, we got a very good fire going right now. Head on outside. And you can see it's working.